Events like these are really important for the suppliers and health. Business goes better when humans can connect with humans. And it's also, the other side of it is that it's a bit of a mysterious process, like learning how to work with SA Health. And so getting people together and just opening the doors and opening up the process to them is an incredibly important thing.
I'm here to assist SA Health procurement team to think about Aboriginal businesses tapping into the SA Health procurement world and look for opportunities that may fit their business.
A really good opportunity, I think, for suppliers to sort of get involved, start obviously understanding what opportunities are forthcoming within SA Health, but it's also a good opportunity for that business-to-business interaction as well, which is really key. So I think South Australia is a really collaborative, innovative state, and I think businesses sort of recognise and identify that. So I think through collaboration, I think we can achieve a lot of the government's objectives.
Starting off the session, like hearing around the expectations around working for South Australian and South Australian products, how some of our processes work, and really hearing about how people can engage with us. So it is a two-way street. It's not just us going out and actually asking for information on what we want to buy. It's people being able to interact back with us through some of our systems.